This is your Flexmike, and it's really easy to use. You have one button to turn it on and off, and the same button is also your mute. You'll want to adjust it to the proper length using the adjusters on the side so the top of the microphone sits just below your collarbone. That puts it in the proper location so that whether you're in the corner of the room or turning facing away from the students, your voice is clearly heard throughout the room. For spaces with loud ambient noise, we recommend using the ear set microphone provided. Simply plug the ear set mic into the side of the Flexmike, wrap the earpiece around your ear, making sure to bend it so it's nice and snug and the microphone is close to your mouth. Here's the good part. When the Flexmike is on, you no longer need to project and use your teacher voice. Just speak in soft conversational tones. Once you are used to wearing the Flexmike, you'll begin to experience a calmer room and students become more engaged and focused. You'll also notice that at the end of the day, you'll have more energy and less vocal strain. Now we need to make sure the volume is set to an optimum level. A common mistake is to set the volume too high. Louder volumes actually cause students to become fatigued and may result in feedback when you walk near the speaker. Optimum volume is at a level where you can just barely hear your own voice. It's best to have another person in the room to test the volume, but generally out of the box, the system will be close to the appropriate level. If you need to turn the volume up or down slightly, you can press the volume up-down arrows on the side of the Flexmike. If the volume is still much too high or low, you may need to adjust the volume level at the system. Once the volume is set, you generally don't need to adjust it throughout the day. At this point, just begin teaching as normal. If you want to have a private conversation, step out into the hallway, or stop using the Flexmike for any reason, just tap the power mute button, the light will turn white, and your microphone is muted. There is generally not a need to fully power the microphone off. The battery will hold its charge all day. But if you wish to do so, press and hold the power mute button for about 2 seconds, and you will see the lights go off. To turn it back on, hold the power mute button for a couple seconds. The lights will glow white, indicating the microphone is on and ready to use. The working range for the Flexmike is around 150 feet. If the Flexmike is out of range, it will shut off after 30 minutes of trying to reconnect. Once you are back in range, simply press and hold the power button for 1 second on the Flexmike to power it up and resume normal operation. At the end of the day, you will need to return your microphone to the integrated cradle charger and plug the mobile PA into AC power for nightly charging. A battery will last a full 8-hour day, but will need to be charged each night. A full charge cycle takes approximately 5 hours. Locate the power supply and AC power cord and insert the DC connector into the jack labeled power on the mobile PA. Plug the AC power cord into an electrical outlet. Place your microphone in the integrated cradle charger. You'll see that the power status lights will glow red, indicating charging has started. In the morning when you return, the mobile PA will be fully charged and the power status lights on the system and microphones will glow green. Also, if during operation the power status light turns red, that means your battery charge is running low. Generally, there are still 30 to 40 minutes of operation before your battery is fully depleted. Your system is shipped with the Flexmike pre-paired to the mobile PA, but if for any reason you need to pair it with a different system, follow this pairing process. From a powered off state, point the IR transmitter on the top of the Flexmike toward the side of the mobile PA. Press and hold the power mute button for 5 seconds until both mic 1 and 2 lights start flashing. Then release the button and let the pairing process finish. The status light on the mobile PA will begin flashing, alternating between blue and white. Once pairing is complete, it will turn solid blue. The microphone's 1 or 2 LED on the Flexmike will light to indicate pairing is complete and the microphone is ready for operation. With that, You now know everything you need to know to effectively use this powerful tool. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call our toll-free number. We have a live customer service team available to help.